Hello and welcome back. I hope you're all well. Today I'll be sharing healthy, delicious snack recipes that are gluten and dairy free. They're also very easy to make, and they're such a great way to satisfy that craving you get during the day. You can easily make these snacks vegan. If you like these recipes, feel free to subscribe for more healthy, tasty recipes. Okay, so let's begin. First recipe are these super tasty quinoa oat cookies. Begin by cooking the quinoa in a pan. And then once the quinoa is cooked, allow it to cool down and add some gluten-free oats, almond flour, cinnamon, pinch of salt, and some honey. Alternatively, you can use maple syrup to make this vegan. I'm also adding some mixed seeds, nuts, and raisins, and then mix this in. Keep mixing until the mixture begins to thicken, and then using your hand, gather the mixture together until it begins to clump up. And then using a 1/4 cup measuring cup, measure out the cookies and place them on a baking sheet. Shape the cookies into small circles and then place this in the freezer for up to 2 hours. These cookies also make a great breakfast as well. Next up are these tofu sushi wraps. We'll begin by removing the excess moisture from the tofu by placing a heavy object on the tofu. In a pan over low heat, we're going to heat 1 tablespoon of oil and then add the vegetables, so that's tomatoes, onions, garlic and rosemary. Then add in the spices, so that's black pepper, pinch of sea salt, cumin seeds, and then allow the vegetables to saute, and then add a 1/4 cup of water to the vegetables, and then give this a mix. I'm going to slice up the tofu and then add this to the sauteed vegetables. I'm also adding some chickpeas. You'll want to reduce the vegetables to low heat at this point. Also add in some soy sauce and continue to mix this. And then once the vegetables have cooled down, place it onto a seaweed wrap. Place all the filling onto one side of the wrap and then fold in the wrap like so. Place a sushi roll in plastic wrap and then refrigerate this for up to 2 hours. And then once it's all set, slice the sushi roll in half and you can serve it up. Final recipe is this chickpea and cashew nut mix. In a pan over low heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and chickpeas, along with cashew nuts and some Italian seasoning, sea salt and honey. Allow this to saute on medium heat for 5 minutes until everything darkens. And then once it's cooked, allow it to cool down and then place it in a small dish. And that was just super easy. That was a super easy snack. If you like these recipes, feel free to subscribe for more healthy, tasty recipes. And that's it for today's recipes. I really hope that you enjoyed them, and if you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and see you soon.